Every year on the 5th of November, Britain lights up the sky with bonfires and fireworks. But behind the celebration lies a dark, explosive story. It all began in 1605 when a group of Catholic conspirators planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament and assassinate King James I. Their goal? To end Protestant rule and restore a Catholic monarch to the throne. Among them was Guy Fawkes, a soldier and explosives expert. He was chosen to guard 36 barrels of gunpowder hidden beneath Parliament, enough to destroy the entire building and everyone inside. But just hours before the plot could succeed, an anonymous letter warned a nobleman to stay away. A midnight search followed, and there, in the cellars below Westminster, they found Fawkes with a fuse in his hand. He was arrested, tortured, and executed. The other plotters were hunted down and killed. To celebrate the king's survival, Londoners lit bonfires, and that's how Bonfire Night began. For centuries, people burned effigies of Guy Fawkes, chanted, "Remember, remember the 5th of November," and set off fireworks to mark the failed plot. It became part of Britain's folklore, a strange mix of celebration, rebellion, and remembrance. But here's the twist: Guy Fawkes wasn't even the ringleader, he just became the most famous. Over time, his name turned into a symbol of defiance, inspiring protest movements, and even the V for Vendetta mask seen today. So when you watch the fireworks this November, remember, they're not just for fun.
They're the echoes of a plot that could have changed British history forever. So, what do you think? Was Guy Fawkes a villain, a victim, or a revolutionary ahead of his time?
Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and share for more explosive stories from Britain's past.